all hazards radio KEC 74 in Indianapolis. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Morgan County, Hendricks County, Marion County, eastern Putnam County, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Danville, or 21 miles west of Indianapolis, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Carmel, Fishers, Greenwood, Lawrence, Plainfield, Brownsburg, Beech Grove, Speedway, Mooresville, Danville, Southport, Avon, Cumberland, Pittsboro, Meridian Hills, Warren Park, Claremont, Monrovia, and Clayton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 102 and 128. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 202. Interstate 70 between mile markers 44 and 93. Interstate 74 between mile markers 57 and 99. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central and west central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hendricks, Marion, Morgan, and Putnam. This is NOAA.